if you don't, if you don't, if you don't go home, want you, if you don't, if you don't, if you don't go home, want you, if you don't, if you don't, if you don't go home, want you, if you don't, if you don't, if you don't go home, want you, feel.
Hey, good morning, guys. So today is the second day in Phuket, and today we are going to some islands. And I booked taxi already. Just coming on the way, taxi on the way. तो चेकआउट करेंगे होटल में आज, और चेकआउट करने के बाद चलेंगे. टैक्सी ऑलरेडी मैंने बुक कर दी है, ग्रैब. तो टैक्सी आ रही है, ऑन द वे है. और यहाँ से जाएंगे सिस्टर के रूम में और अपना सामान सारा रख के वहाँ पे. और जो हमने आइलैंड पे जाने के लिए मतलब बोट जो हमने ट्रिप बुक कर रखा है, मतलब उनकी ही टैक्सी आई है हमें पिक करने के लिए. तो उनकी टैक्सी में जाएंगे. 8 बजे उनकी टैक्सी सिस्टर की रूम पे लोकेशन दी है, वहाँ पे आ जाएगी. और वहाँ से जाएंगे सीधा आइलैंड पे. और अभी करते हैं चेक आउट और फिर चलते हैं टैक्सी से सिस्टर के रूम में. और बाकी मैं आपको दिखाता रहूँगा रास्ते के व्यू. और यहाँ का माहौल अभी सुबह के बज चुके हैं, लगभग 7 साढ़े 7 होने वाले हैं. और ये है सुबह 7:30 बजे का व्यू. एंड बीच इज़ लिटरली क्वाइट, क्योंकि अभी सुबह का टाइम है. लगभग 11-12 बजे 10-11 बजे 10 बजे सब लोग मतलब यहाँ के पास में काफ़ी सारे आइलैंड हैं. वो सामने एक आइलैंड दिख रहा है. ऐसे ही आइलैंड साइडों पे भी आइलैंड है, वहाँ पे भी एक दिख रहा है साइड पे आइलैंड. लोग मतलब वहाँ पे आइलैंड पे जाते हैं, तो यहीं से बोट लेके आइलैंड पे जाते हैं. तो चलो चलते हैं, करते हैं चेकआउट और जाते हैं सिस्टर के रूम में. सो वी आर हियर एंड दिस इज सिस्टर लोकेशन.
เมื่อถึงสัญญาณไฟจราจรแรกขับรถ
तो हम थे सिस्टर के अपार्टमेंट. एंड वेटिंग फॉर वैन फॉर गो आइलैंड. सो वेटिंग है फॉर वैन फॉर गो आइलैंड. अभी देखते हैं कितने टाइम में आते हैं वो हमें पिक करने के लिए. बाकी इनसे बात होगी मैसेज पे. और खड़े हैं हम यहाँ पे सिस्टर के अपार्टमेंट पे. वैन इज़ दिस एंड वी आर गोइंग. So we are on the way to island, and guys, Phuket is so much more beautiful because in Phuket has so many trees and everywhere is greenery. It's so beautiful more than another city. So I like it. And Phuket is everywhere mountains covered with Phuket city is covered with the mountains. It's beautiful mountains everywhere. Okay, we are here. So many people stand here for waiting for go, and we already send it. We already check in and eat some. Here we guys are in the queue, waiting for in the queue. So many people here, and not much queue, but it's waiting for a queue. So yeah, we book a trip with the Queens of Andaman. There's a counter for check-in. Just write your name and your birth date. And here coming are so many people and crowd here. And that's another side is another companies for. Oi, why you talking on my phone?
Yeah.
This is also included with your trip, with your ticket. They have some coffee and drinks and water and some few. There's fruits and salads.
You eat or not? I will take.
Yeah, can eat. This is all included and free for include with your ticket. Okay, let's have some food. This is our team. We are wearing a same band name Nemo, and waiting for here. Everyone go for together, and him say wait for me. Nemo team. Do something.
Nemo team, please. Nemo team. So Nemo team, my name Nat. Okay, N-A-S ที่นี่คนไทยครับผมชื่อนัทนะครับพี่นะชื่อนัทนะ Nemo team ไปกับนัทนะครับวันนี้ So be careful, okay? Anyone else?
Okay, so we are going now, and we are all people in the one queue, and follow him. Yeah, let's do it. Go. Let him go. So here's the beach. Here's a nice view and mountains around there.
Mountain, that island,
Yeah, it looks nice.
Andaman.
Andaman Island.
Andaman Sea. Chonburi Rayong, that's Ao Thai Sea.
Uh-huh.
That Ao Thai, this Andaman. Andaman go, Malaysia, Indonesia, and
And there's a jet ski. And see the mountains around. Look nice, but and there are the speedboats. We sit inside. I think that one is Queen
Careful.
of Andaman. That's our boat.
If anyone wants to sit at the front side, maximum can sit only 4.
Can see me.
Only 4. But next time can check. No, right? No. Check your wristband again, Nemo.
Yeah, 100% sure.
No shark, no dolphin, nothing else. No. Okay. Alright, done. We're gonna go now. Before we go fast, later we go fast. Okay. Now we slow down. Now we slow down and we go fast. Okay. So before we go fast, please everyone, starting with my name. Okay. Let's starting with my name. This is my name and this is my number. Okay, I don't mind if you want to save my number or take picture my number. In case if you get loose, if you lose on the island, then 2,000 or 3,000 people.
Oh.
Yeah, very easy to get in the wrong one. Now not many boat now, but later more than 100 speedboat parking at the same area. Yeah, easy to get in the wrong one. When we calling my team, we have to call different. We not calling me one, only my boat, nobody else same. Okay, we are different. But Nemo, maybe someone else that have same. So someone gonna call Nemo, but not us. We call Nasty. Okay. Next one. Where we are going today? Where we are going? So our program today, we have 3. Yeah, we have 3 islands today, but many stop today. In 3 islands, we have 7 stops, 7 points, 7 places, 7. Yeah, a lot today. So every stop, we have limit time. We have limit time because if we not limit our time, everything wrong today. So we limit our time, okay? So let me counting for you one by one, everyone. The first one now, PP Don Island. From here, we going to PP Don Island directly, around 1 hour. Maximum 1 hour, maybe less more than 1 hour, but max 1 hour only. So PP Don, the first island, we have 4 activity to do that. Number one now, Monkey Beach. The first one, Monkey Beach. Number two. This one, number 2, okay? Number 2. Number 2 is for free, don't charge money. Anyone want to do? Yes, you can do. If you want. But if you don't want, wait a moment. I have number 3 for you, number 3. Number 3 is scuba diving. Okay, scuba diving. If you want to do scuba diving today, no worry about license. No, we don't asking for license. No need no need to show your license. First, second, no need your swimming skill. First time or beginner, yes, you can do. No worry, we have done many times. It's not our first time. No worry. Yeah, many times. It depends snorkeling. Snorkeling, you go by yourself. We give you the mask and you jumping from my boat and you go by yourself this one. Okay? But diving you go with us. Look at this picture. This one. You are here and we are here. Okay? You are here, we are here. 1 or 2 customer here, 1 dive master holding you all the time to go underwater. But this activity, we have to pay extra. Yeah, if you want, okay? How much scuba diving? 2,000 baht for 1 person. Okay, if you want, but if you don't want, no problem. Okay, 2,000 baht for 1 person. Let's go number 4 now. Number 4, monkey snorkeling, scuba diving. Now lunch. Finish. We gonna leaving. So when the people get loose or people late, people get in the wrong boat, it happened here after lunch because many people. So remember our boat, remember us, remember my team, remember everything, remember Nas team, okay? We leaving on time. So if you guys late, I'm sorry. I have to say sorry now and say goodbye, okay? So please no late, everyone be on time. Okay, finish the first one now. Second is the best one. Second is most beautiful one. Second one we call PP Lay. The first one PP Don. Second PP Lay. Okay, PP Lay we have 3 more stops. In 3 stops we have 2 for take picture and 1 for swim. Together 3. So 2 of this is Maya Beach. At least we can get on the beach, but they not allowed to swim. Who are they? They are Marine National Park. Many take picture. Swimming. No worry. We spend around 1 hour for swimming. Yeah, in this place, in this island or in this stop, around 1 hour. And where we swim, it is the problem. We jumping from here, backside of my boat. But when the boat stop, not when the boat driving like this. When the boat stop, we gonna jump at the backside and swimming. When we swim, we can swim only behind my boat. Cannot go far because many boat. When the boat parking, save my finger. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Every boat, every company are same area. So that's why we swim at the back only. Cannot go far. And the water there is quite deep, around 20. Not 2 meter, 20 meter deep. Is very, very deep. Yeah, maybe you guys need larger. Only someone. If you don't swim behind the speedboat, If you don't like deep water or deep sea, you don't like, or you want to see something underwater, my boat is like dark color. You can go snorkeling with this. You can go to the beach with it. Second choice is this one. Long tail boat. This one second choice. Long tail boat or wooden boat. This boat is by local at PP Island. They have not many. That's why not enough for many people. Yeah, this boat is very famous. Other boat, they do the same thing. They take this boat. So now, like not enough. Only someone or some group or some family. This boat, they can go like this one, like blue water or clear water and shallow water. My boat stopping like dark because it's very deep. Many times people asking like why we stop here. I have no choice. The park ranger, they allow to parking only here. So if anyone don't like deep water, where we do this? Here, look at the view. It's very nice view, very beautiful view for like taking picture. You can stop like this one, shallow water. Can standing, can walking, okay? Can stop at the beach like you guys can walk. You can go outside for snorkeling. Someone swim inside, someone go outside. You have 1 hour same people here. People on my boat 1 hour, you go 1 hour same, okay? And this boat, we have two choice for you. Two type, two choice. We have private and joining. You guys have to choose one. Private, one boat for one couple or one group or one family. All in one boat. One family, all in one boat. One boat, 2,000 baht. For all, not per person. All of you guys, 2,000 for one boat. Okay, this one private. Second one, joining. Join with other people. Joining 400 baht for one. But we need a limit, only 11 person. Okay, so money no need to pay now. No need to buy now, no need. But book it now. I will walking to you. Yeah, I will walking to you and booking. We have to booking now, only now, no later. Because this place, no people, no boat, nobody live here. If you decide that, no, it's too late. Just only yes or no now. No need to pay money. Yeah, I will walking to you and asking. Yeah, can you please now I'll talk with your friend, your family. You're gonna take the long tail boat or no?
The waves are whispering to the shore. Golden sands we can't ignore. Palms are swaying wild and free. Fifi's calling, come to me. Sunrise paints the sky with fire. Dreams ignite, hearts conspire. Footsteps fade on the ocean's line. Fifi's magic feels divine. Oh, Fifi Island, you're my escape. A paradise no heart could fake. Dancing tides, the moon's embrace. This island's so my sacred place. Crystal waters, secrets deep. Memories here are ours to keep.
Take care of
Always.
Breeze and melody, singing songs of you and me. Stars above light up the night, guiding love with gentle light. Every moment, every sound, on 5 feet, we're spellbound.
गाइस काफ़ी ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है, काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा है और मेरे लिए ये फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस है। तो पहली बार मैंने ज़िंदगी में ऐसे आइलैंड देखे हैं। बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है। काफ़ी लोग यहाँ पे फ़ोटो खींच रहे हैं, घूम रहे हैं और मंकीज़ को देख रहे हैं। ये खास करके ये जो आइलैंड है यहाँ पे मंकी ही मिलते हैं, तो इस आइलैंड को कहते हैं मंकी आइलैंड। ये देखो काफ़ी सारे मंकी बैठे हैं ट्री के ऊपर और नीचे घूम रहे हैं। तो काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा है, एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा है। तो आप लोग भी अगर कभी आएँ तो ज़रूर विज़िट करना, ज़रूर आइलैंड्स पे जाना। फुकेट के आइलैंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ेदार और ब्यूटीफुल है।
Please come down with
Dreams and confusion. Keep falling faster, straight for disaster.
We have for you. Okay? If you have, you can use your own. But if you don't have, don't worry, we have. If anyone swim not very well, we have life jacket. We have life jacket. But if you don't know how to swim, we not recommend. Okay, we not recommend because we jumping from the boat. Cannot like standing, cannot walking, cannot touching the boat.
तो वैसे निकल चुके हैं हम लोग, जा रहे हैं इस टाइम फीफी आइलैंड। अब फीफी आइलैंड पे जाके हम लोग करेंगे लंच, और लंच आपका जो है वो आपकी टिकट के साथ वो बुफे है, वो फ्री ही होगा, आपकी टिकट के इंक्लूड होगा। तो वहाँ पे जाके हम लोग करेंगे लंच। उसके बाद जाएंगे बाकी आइलैंड पे, और 1 घंटा का टाइम है फीफी आइलैंड पे, और उसके बाद जाएंगे हम लोग बाकी आइलैंड्स पे। और वीडियो में ऐसे बने रहना का, जो भी चैनल पर नए होते हैं चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, और वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कर देना, और बने रहो ऐसे वीडियो में। अच्छे अच्छे व्यू आपको मैं दिखाता रहूँगा आगे। So guys, we are here at East Phi Island.
Yeah.
This Phi Island, and we just wait. Boat drop here, and here is the restaurant. This also include with your ticket.
Yeah, they have hospital and
Yeah.
here and McDonald's. Before I go there, here never come here.
It's Rida restaurant. So this include with the ticket. Where with your trip, you don't need to any pay money for lunch, for eat. So here is lunch. Some people their lunch like, and can I eat anything? This I think buffet. Say like how much you want to eat, you can eat. And that's the island. Here water is very nice and clear.
Shadow smiles and the world just stops. Nannies care like candy drops. Life blooms brighter in their glow.
So that's the guy buffet. And today I think this is Indian curry, chicken curry, and rice, and this Thai, some Thai dishes with chicken and only chicken, bowl-like chicken, and with some vegetables. That's nice. तो गैस कर लिया हमने अपना लंच डन, और हम लोग जा रहे हैं थोड़ा वॉक पे। फीफी आइलैंड पे थोड़ी शॉप है जो वहाँ पे देखने के लिए, रेस्टोरेंट और क्या क्या बना हुआ है, और आगे वीडियो में आपको सब कुछ दिखाता रहूँगा। और बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल से व्यू है गाइस, और देखते रहना गाइस आप एक वीडियो में। तो ये काफ़ी सारी बोट यहाँ पे खड़ी हुई है, और यहाँ पे बोट रुकती है आके फीफी आइलैंड पे जो स्टॉप है यहाँ पे। बस so many shops guys, and buy everything for eat. You wanna go inside? Diving, scuba diving. That's the island, guys. That's the island, guys. This inside the middle ocean, and everywhere is the water, and this island inside the water, and here is too much restaurants, clubs and restaurants, and hotels. I think that's a hotel, not sure. No, that's restaurant. It's a nice view, guys. Look at around. Move. तो गाइस इस ब्लॉग को यहीं पे एंड करते हैं। मिलेंगे आपको अगले ब्लॉग में और दिखाएंगे बाकी के आइलैंड आपको। और गाइस जो भी चैनल पे नहीं होते हैं चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कर देना। और थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग और स्टे ट्यून फॉर पार्ट 2।